You only need 2 ingredients to make delicious stewed rhubarb. Wash the stalks, then trim off both ends and any brown spots. Chop the rhubarb into small pieces. No need to make them perfect or equal sized. We're using about 3 cups of rhubarb. Add the rhubarb to a medium-sized pot. Use a thick-bottomed pot if you have one. Add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. We don't like our rhubarb overly sweet. You can also use honey or sugar. After you add the syrup, turn the heat to medium-high and stir constantly. When the syrup begins to boil, turn the heat to low and cover the pot. Cook for 3 minutes, then take off the lid and stir. Do you think that rhubarb is a fruit or a vegetable? Let us know in the comments. Cook for 10 more minutes, stirring frequently. You may want to taste the rhubarb partway through the cooking. Add more maple syrup if you like. Just be sure to cool before tasting. The stewed rhubarb is ready when it has thickened. Remove from the heat and let cool before serving. You can enjoy your rhubarb on its own in a bowl, or as a delicious topping for yogurt, ice cream, or oatmeal. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share with your friends. Thank you!